Looking for the ultimate travel tumbler? The Stanley Adventure Quencher 40 ounces is here to revolutionize your hydration game. Its double-wall vacuum insulation isn't just a marketing claim. It genuinely keeps your drinks ice cold for over 11 hours. Perfect for long days or road trips. Imagine having refreshingly cold water from morning to night without constant refills or warm sips. The reusable straw means less plastic waste, and the Comfort Grip handle makes it incredibly easy to carry, even when full. No more struggling with awkward, bulky cups. This design is all about user-friendly convenience. And here's the game changer for commuters. Its clever design fits perfectly into most car cup holders. Finally, a large capacity tumbler that travels with you, mess-free, wherever you go. This isn't just another water bottle. It's a durable, stylish, and essential hydration companion for any active lifestyle. It's built Stanley tough, ensuring it will be your go-to tumbler for years to come, offering unmatched convenience and performance. If you're ready to upgrade your hydration, check out the Stanley Adventure Quencher 40 ounces through the link in the description below. It's truly the best tumbler for daily use in 2025.